Hello, speakers. Welcome to Speak Out Club and welcome to my podcast series called Confidence Talks, wherein you learn how to speak confidently and rock it on stage directly from the speakers who have done it over and over again. So, today, yet another interesting personality and very amazing, very inspiring personality we have. And what I like about her is her sweet, beautiful smile, which is so pure and which has the power to transform millions of people, right? And her smile itself speaks a lot. So she is a wealth manager turned a money coach. Yes, guys, a money coach. So she spreads a lot of high energy. She helps people to manifest the highest form of energy, that we can think of, and that is money. So she believes in energy science and the subconscious programming, which she does for her clients. She helps her clients to master the self-talk, leading to not only manifesting money, guys, but prospering in every aspect of their lives. See, in simple words, I would say she helps you to cleanse the money energy. And when there's no block, obviously the money flows. That's what she did it for me. Yes, she is my mentor as well. So put your hands together, guys, for Hema Raju. And thank you so much, Hema, for being in my show. And I'm so glad and honored to have you here.
Thank you. Yes.
Great. So my first question to you, Hema, is what made you become a money coach? Because as I know about your background, you were a wealth manager, you used to help people, in this aspect. And what was that calling? What made you come into this field and suddenly transform a lot of people?
So, thank you, Priyankani, for first having me on this show and the amazing introduction. So, I'm very glad to be again addressing your audience as well. So, I strongly and I again repeat this: disruptions bring opportunities. And I say this is the manifestation mantra. If you're going to start this transformation journey, you will see more disruptions even before you started the journey. Because when you start the journey, if things have to happen fast, then failures have to happen fast, right? But people mistake it for I'm bad lucky, things are happening bad after bad after bad. Similarly, I will tell how I came into this. In fact, I knew about chakras energy when I was as young as 13 years. When teenage people were enjoying life, I don't know, I stumbled upon Vivekananda's books and that. But in 12th standard, I think I came to know about subconscious programming and I started what will a teen manifest? Manifesting a partner. It worked for me. But I didn't realize it was because of that it happened. It just happened in a flow. Only after I became a coach, I realized exactly I had manifested my partner the way I wanted. Now, life went on. जब अच्छा होता है लाइफ में हम कभी किसी चीज की चिंता नहीं करते हैं एंड आई ऑल्सो लेफ्ट माई प्रैक्टिसेस कुछ ज्यादा नहीं कर रही थी आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट डू सिंपल मेडिटेशंस नाउ आफ्टर सेटल करियर चिल्ड्रन जॉब there was a phase of life when I felt so rejected in my corporate career and I was seeking answers कि how come being 10 to 12 years in industry people can be so mean people are like corporate ऐसे ही होता है a single word I'm like अच्छा शायद मुझे नहीं पता है if this is corporate मुझे नहीं रहना है यहाँ पे if I have that no energy and knowledge then if I do the same hard work for myself I think I can create a better impact. And thanks to my therapy practice, which I was doing as a side hustle, that came my way. And huge disruptions. I lost a huge amount of money. Today, if I'm a money coach, I am here because I had very bitter experiences with money. Since my young age, when I was working and meeting all my expenses, struggling in my hostel, and then losing a big chunk of money where I was hardly earning 10 lakhs per annum, I lost nearly 20 lakhs. And no financial background to support. This got me into depression. I'm like, kya karu? I cannot tell to anyone because it would be a mere shame me in a industry of finance and doing such a big mistake. Even my friends, my spouse, no one. Where do I go? 2 महीने हुए 3 महीने हुए and I was almost pregnant. I'm like, इस stress को मेरे baby पे नहीं लाना है. This I was very conscious because I'm a person who is very conscious about certain things. कि my pain should not go into my baby. तब जाके I don't know, I was googling गूगल किया कि हाउ डू वी मैनिफेस्ट मनी एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, तब मुझे याद आया अगेन कमिंग बैक टू माय ओन प्रैक्टिस व्हिच आई वाज डूइंग अबाउट मैनिफेस्टेशन. Now I think you have seen in my program I have told about Silva Ultramind. I revived my practices, made them better, and you will not believe, just in few months life changed like anything. Not only for me, even for a friend whom I was guiding, seeing her miracles, I was like, can I do so much for people? I didn't know that. होता है ना कि भगवान आपको एंजल भेजता है, कि सेंड अ एंजल टू टेल मी कि हेमा तुम्हारा पावर क्या है. Then manifested the job for my spouse with 80% hike. 3 साल जॉब नहीं था and he gets 80% hike in technical field where he was actually in support background earlier. Then my house, I couldn't even imagine. Now it's like goosebumps when I even think कि कैसे चीजें हुई. I'm like, this is what I want to help people with. Then again slowly how I worked out of my debts and set up my business. 1 रुपया मैंने किसी से नहीं लिया for my business. Trust me, I had zero plans how I will run my business, but I only had my manifestations on. पहुंचना है वहां पे, चीजें करती गई, clients आते गए. I kept investing money. I kept investing for my business. You are in this industry, you know, right? We have to invest lakhs in certifications, mentors. 2, 3, 4, 5 लाख हमें एक मेंटर में लगाने पड़ते हैं. मैंने किया, लेकिन हाथ में तब कुछ भी नहीं था, बट किया. एंड यूनिवर्स केप्ट सेंडिंग मी रिसोर्सेस आल्सो. एंड आई एम लाइक, अब यही बताना है क्लाइंट लोगों को कि जीरो पैसा हाथ में भी रहा ना, फिर भी यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन एम्पायर. जस्ट ट्रस्ट द पावर ऑफ योर ब्रेन. So this disruptions bring opportunities is what I would want to summarize the story as.
So amazing, so inspiring, Hema. Thank you so much for bringing that out. You know what happens is people feel uncomfortable and then they move back to the comfort zone. Okay.
Yes.
So what Hema said is you have to welcome the failures. If you want the results fast, you have to welcome the failures fast. Right?
Yes.
Universe loves speed, guys. So next time whenever you're going through a bad phase or a bad time or a challenge, just accept it as it is, because good days are going to come, you know, that is for sure.
So see,
right?
remember this. Yeah, sorry to interrupt. Remember this mantra: fail faster to succeed faster. If you have ended up all your wrong ideas, then you know कि अब ये सब खत्म हो चुके हैं, अब मुझे यही करना बाकी है. Then you find your way. So don't fear to fail faster. Keep trying, implement, fail. Taki now you have limited options where you know this is my way to success. So that's what.
Nice. So the next question to you, Hema, is 3 challenges you faced to reach here, where you are. Already, I think you touched up a few challenges already, but the biggest 3 challenges, because I believe that, as we are talking around confidence, so I believe that one challenge you face, one failure you face, you become 1 time more confident. So 100 such, be it small, be it big, doesn't matter, but 100 such challenges you face, 100 times you become confident. Right? So talk about the top 3 challenges which you faced.
My first challenge was my introverted nature. लोगों को नहीं पता है, लेकिन I seem to be extrovert, but I am an introvert. I hesitate to talk to people, voluntarily connect with people.
Sentence.
Yes. So if they connect, I am very good, but I hesitate to connect because I fear judgment, I fear validation. I used to. This was one of the blocks. Being an entrepreneur, you cannot be like that. You will have to open up, connect, go seek for references, talk about business. All these I built over time. I'm not still an expert, but I built over time. So number 1 was my shyness while facing the camera, taking reels. I was a person who strongly believed that I don't have a camera face. I cannot face camera. Trust me. So 100 photos में से एक photo शायद अच्छी निकल गई तो बड़ी बात है. Okay? So it took a lot of practice. So that was the first thing about know yourself. How do you evaluate yourself? Second thing was how I dealt with money. Right? So I was a person who would not even ask for help from closest of the friends. I will not even ask for help because somewhere in my childhood my father had told कि किसी का help लिया तो कर्ज हो जाएगा, फिर नहीं दे पाए तो. So I altered this belief कि लूंगी तो double वापस करूंगी. And automatically I had to break this limiting belief of mine and leave all the values or ego and go ask for help. this is the second thing which I was struggling, and then that was a breakthrough for me again when to save me out of the problems. Again, number 3 was consistency. बहुत सारे methods पता है कि ये करना है, लेकिन regularly क्या कर रहे हैं? I have seen even people, I tell currently my clients, I tell them, please don't keep skipping for better routines and better methods, strategies. जो सीखा है simplest of the one आप अच्छे से implement करो, consistently implement करो, result आएगा. लेकिन we know हमारे human mind we are not satisfied, कुछ और अच्छा हो जाएगा. कहीं भी miracle नहीं होना है. I mean, when I say miracle, ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसे किया और काम बन जाएगा. हर strategy को आपको implement करना पड़ेगा, right? तो जो भी सीखा है पहले उसको टाइम दो, implement करो and then move forward. Because I made this mistake also in earlier stages where I was just thinking कि this person will change my life, this person will change my life. No, एक person को भी choose किया, उस पे believe करो. 100 believe मतलब 100%. आंख बंद करके believe करो, जो भी बोला उसको implement करके देखो. Failure success. Failure है तो एटलीस्ट निकल जाएगा ना कि ओके कैसे कैसे चीजों पे हमें फिल्टर करना है, बिलीव करना है, नहीं करना है, वो फिल्ट्रेशन हो जाएगा ना. तो बट 100% लगा दो. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक पर्सन को आपने ट्राई किया, यू गो टू समवन एल्स एंड देन यू थिंक कि उस पर्सन जो बोलता है वो अच्छा था, शायद मैं वो इम्प्लीमेंट कर लेती. राइट? द रीजन इज दैट यू शुड नॉट फील गिल्टी अबाउट नॉट डूइंग द राइट थिंग इन द पास्ट. 100% दे दो. फिर फेल हो गया ना, फिर भी हैप्पी, मैंने सब ट्राई कर लिया, काम नहीं कर रहा है. Now I think I need something new. So these 3 things is, I will say, what were the biggest challenges I learned, and I broke those my beliefs and my inhibitions that made me to evolve in my business.
Wow, great. So I so much relate to the third point which you mentioned. Like our mind is a monkey mind. We keep finding, even if we invest a lot of money, in one coach, one mentor, or one strategy, or one tool. We just at the surface level we just try to implement it. It's not working, and then we find another, then another. Kuch aur, side wo kaam karega, side. But we don't go deeper into it and implement it, right? And that's so true. That 100% faith and belief is what it works.
Exactly.
Right? So you have to implement it. Great. So on this, I'll move into the next question. That is, how to deal with the fear of public speaking. So as you mentioned in the first challenge, that you were a shy person, you were an introvert. Now that you're an entrepreneur, you have to be an extrovert. You have to be with people. So I would like to listen to your first public speaking experience, be it on camera or be it in front of people. So what happened and how you became this person, who is like leading a lot of people.
Yeah, thank you for that, Priyankani, because a lot of upcoming entrepreneurs have this challenge. So first thing was trying to take reels. Reel liya, and I'm like, itna le liyo, ye kaam nahi ban raha hai. And then I would switch off my brain. I'm like, look into the mirror and tell, kya ho jayega na, डाल दे देखा जाएगा. So I had to tell myself that I'm okay to face the humiliation, if any. And trust me, there was no humiliation. This is number 1. So the inner self-talk that you say, no, imagine the worst. On the worst, kya ho jayega? Even best of the stars are getting trolled and humiliated. Tu kaun hai? What will happen? Aaj troll karenge, kal ko when you grow, So this self-talk I had to tell. You see, we all know things. Sabko sab pata hai. लेकिन उस मोमेंट पे आर यू एबल टू ब्रिंग इट टू द फोरफ्रंट एंड टेल योरसेल्फ एंड रिपीट. दैट इज वेयर योर सबकॉन्शियस टॉक एंड प्रोग्रामिंग हैपेंस. यू डोंट लिसन टू व्हाट योर सबकॉन्शियस इज टॉकिंग. यू कॉन्शियसली कंट्रोल इट एंड से तू अपना मुंह बंद कर, मैं करने वाली हूँ, जो होगा होगा. अगर बेइज्जती होनी है होगी, तो अपने अंदर बात करना सीखो. यू डोंट नीड एनीवन. द पर्सन हु कैन डू दिस काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ टॉक, यू कैन विन एनी काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन. दिस इज नंबर 1. Number 2, I'll give you a small example. So I was in this community called BNI where, every month it's like we have to present our business.
Yeah, it's the whole community, I know that.
Yeah, business community where we have to present our business to the whole gathering. Now, this was my first meeting in BNI where I was offline presenting about my product. Online में client से बात किया, सब mentoring किया, सब ठीक है. लेकिन अब हम अपना business sell कर रहे हैं offline. And I didn't even expect कि इतना अच्छा गया presentation. The moment I came and sat in the seat, the fellow person who was sitting, she touched my hands and it was freezing. My hands were freezing, and no one could have imagined that I was freezing inside. Okay, so I said that is how, right? I have my demons inside, but I ensure I run my talk and ensure कि मैं किस पे focus करूँ. I just go with the flow and focus on the success that I am speaking about, right? So what I'm trying to say कि ऐसा नहीं है कि बड़े-बड़े जो पब्लिक स्पीकर्स हैं उनको फियर नहीं होता है, उनको डर नहीं होता है, सबको होता है भाई, कोई भगवान नहीं है. वो लोग भी कुछ ना कुछ टेक्निक्स यूज कर रहे हैं, जैसे विशन लखवानी टेल्स यूज द 3 finger टेक्निक ऑन द स्टेज और ब्रीथ ऑन द स्टेज. ये सब यूज करते हुए ही करते हैं, अंदर से उन सबकी फट रही है. ठीक है, अपना सेल्फ टॉक करके बाहर मैनेज करो, बताते रहो अपने आप को कि सामने जो बैठे हैं ना वो लोग, उन लोग को भी अपने आप से डर है. You will fail in the public speaking only when you see the audience as some monsters. Even if they are big scholars, understand that when they come to the stage, they have the same fear. Okay? So first understand that you are also human, they are humans. Stop exaggerating them, number 1. Number 2, imagine the worst outcome. क्या हो जाएगा, चलना कर दा, मैक्सिमम क्या होगा, अब इनसे बिजनेस नहीं मिलेगा बस, right? Leave it. So this is what I do. I imagine the worst outcome when it is not in my control, and I just go the baddest thing. Wow. That's what my secret to public speaking.
Thank you so much for adding that value to my audience. That was like, I really am able to relate when you said that even the biggest speakers who has 20 years, 30 years of experience, even they do have that stage fear, guys. Okay, I keep telling my people that the same thing, because I was reading somewhere that Tony Robbins, what he does is he does spot jogging just 2 minutes before coming to or on the stage itself, right?
Yes.
So that's his way of coming out of that jitteriness, that nervousness.
Exactly.
You have to find your way. What makes you calm down? Now, the difference between a seasoned speaker and whoever is a new speaker is that the span of nervousness is less. Suppose I go to stage, it is 3 or 5 minutes of nervousness. For them, it is maybe 1 minute or 30 seconds, but it is there.
Yeah, so I always tell this to my clients, see, the difference in you and me is not that I don't get my anxiety, I don't get my fears, I don't have failures. है क्या है कि आपको शिफ्ट होने में 1 हफ्ता शायद लगता है या 2 दिन लगते हैं, मैं इंस्टेंटली शिफ्ट कर लेती हूँ बस, क्योंकि मैंने कॉन्शियसली प्रोग्राम किया है अपने आप को. दैट्स ऑल द डिफरेंस. सो यू राइटली ब्रॉट द एग्जांपल, इवन आई वाज अबाउट टू मेंशन, यू सी स्नेह देसाई, यू सी टोनी रॉबिन्स, दे डू दोस वर्कआउट्स एंड बैकग्राउंड में थोड़ा अपने आप को वर्कआउट करना, फिर बाहर आना आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. yes, they are motivating the audience, but they are motivating themselves also, जो लोगों को नहीं पता है.
Yes.
Right? So it's all the way you handle it, and everyone is facing their demons in and out, no matter how big they are.
Yes.
Okay, guys, so you have to remember that. Do not see them as monsters or big, exaggerate them. Yeah.
Yes, the only difference between a person who's not successful and a person who's a successful speaker is that they choose to do it anyhow, right?
Yes.
Whatever it is, they just choose to go. They just choose to show up, right? That's a simple thing. Okay, great.
I will not give in to my anxiety. I will just show up. देखा जाएगा. So that's all you need to do. 1, 2, 3 times. 4th time you will see कि I showed up last time ना, अब कर लेती. So because you don't have an evidence of the past, so you are fearing. Go give a try. 2 times fail. 3rd time वो डर common हो जाएगा ना. First time fail होने में डर लगता है. दूसरी तीसरी बार फेल होने में कोई शेयर नहीं लगेगा उसके बाद.
After that, it creates so much of evidence in your brain that it gets used to it. It understands that okay, now she can do it, right? So much of evidence, she has done it 100 times, right?
Yeah.
So that's how your brain understands.
Yeah.
Yes. So the last question, Hema, what is your last message to my audience who is watching you, who feels that I'm nervous, I'm shy, I am an introvert, I can't be a good speaker?
Yes. So
what technique, guys? Please.
So what technique? Yes.
And that is so powerful. Thank you so much, Hema, for coming here and adding so much value to my audience. That was so inspiring, so powerful. And thank you again.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, Priya.